What are the stress responses, right? So when we are under chronic stress, we go into what we all know is the fight or flight response. But do we actually know what that means? Fight or flight means that you are having a bear coming at you and you are going to have to either fight the bear or you're going to have to run like crazy. But at one point, that bear goes away. And so when you're trying to fight that bear, all the blood from your core goes into the extremities because you have to be strong enough to fight off the bear. And so what happens is your digestion slows down, your hormones are disrupted, your inflammation starts rising, your heart rate goes up, you can't sleep because how could you possibly sleep if you're trying to fight off a bear? It doesn't make sense. So everything that is central slows down and everything that goes into the extremities goes really, it gets heightened because now you got to get strong. When you're out of that fight and flight, when the bear goes away, you've either fought the bear off or you've run away like crazy. Now you go into that healing and repair mode. That's when all the blood comes back in, and now you can start digesting your food, and now you can start sleeping. Hormones become balanced again. Cellular repair becomes active because now you have to repair all the damage that may have happened while you were trying to fight off the bear.